Hey guys, welcome to Empower Education. In this video, we are going to learn the applications of trigonometry. I am Prasanna and stay with me till the end. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe. So what do you mean by trigonometry and its basics that we are going to cover into separate video. In this video, we are going to learn just the application part of it. So that is the height and distance based questions. So let's see what are the trigonometric ratios. Consider this is a triangle. Let's call it ABC, which is right triangle at B, and this angle C is called theta. So here AB is altitude, so it's called A. Also BC is base B, and AC is called hypotenuse. So what are the required ratios are sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. So the values of A by H, B by H, and A by B. What are the different values for this sine, cos, and tan thetas for different angles? So you know this table. Learn this and let's see our first example. See, there is this building which you are observing from certain distance. So this is called as your line of sight. So you're watching the top and the bottom at once from the distance of 100 meter. This angle is 60 degrees. It is called as angle of elevation. Let's make this triangle as ABC, which will be right angle at angle B. So we have a right triangle A, B, and C. So tan 60 in this triangle will be height upon base, that is BC upon AB. So let's put BC upon AB. We know AB is 100 meters, so it becomes BC upon 100 meters. So tan 60 value we know, root 3. So that's why put BC upon 100 meters equal to root 3. So that gives us BC is equal to 100 root 3. Root 3 is 1.73, so angle is okay. Let's consider the next example. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of 10-meter tall building is 30 degrees. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building, and angle of elevation of the top of the flag top from point P is 45 degrees. Find the length of flag staff and the distance of the building. So consider this is the building and this is the flag, and this is the point P from which we are observing. So let's draw the necessary rays, this and this one. Let's point this as A, this as B, and let's call this as C. So where C will be right angle. Let's call this distance is D. This is given as 10, and length of the flag staff let's call is X. So now we have these triangles where this angle of elevation is 30 degree, and angle of elevation till the top of flag staff is given as 45 degrees. So now we have these two triangles we have to apply ratios to. So in the triangle A, P, C, this triangle tan 45 degrees will be height upon base. So here height is X, that is AC upon PC. So this AC side is 10 plus X, and PC is called as distance D. So tan 45 value is 1. So put 1 here. D will be 10 plus X. We have another triangle, that is triangle BPC. In this triangle, angle is 30 degree. So tan 30 degrees will be equal to BC upon PC. Here BC is 10 and PC is D. So tan 30 value is 10 upon D. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So from here we can calculate the value of D as 10 into root 3. So put the value of root 3 as 1.732. We get this as 1.732 into 10. That means 17.32 meters. Now put this value of D from here in this equation above here. So if we put D as 17.32, we get X is equal to 17.32 minus 10. That means 7.32. So here this distance is the distance between point P and foot of this building. So that value is 7.32, and Let's consider next example. Angle of depression of top and the bottom of an 8-meter tall building from the top of multi-storied building are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of multi-storied building and the distance of building between the two buildings. So consider this is the small building 8 meter and this one is the large building. Let's put the necessary rays. This will be angle of depression to the top of the small building. Let's draw a line which will be perpendicular to ground at this point and parallel to ground this point. This is the angle of depression till the bottom of the building. Now again, let's complete this triangle. Let's call this triangle A, B, C. Let's call this P and this as Q. Here, this both angles, angle C and angle B, are 90 degrees. So we have now two right angle triangles. This angle is given as 30 degree. So if this is 30 degree, can we say angle APB is also 30 degree? Yes. Why? Because this ray is parallel to this ray. So alternate interior angles, these angles are equal. Similarly, angle of depreciation till the bottom of building is given at 45 degrees. So also this angle AQC will be also 45 degrees. Now we have these two triangles, will form the required ratios. This distance is 8 meters, so this distance will be also 8. Let's call this remaining distance AB as X. And the distance between foots is D. So let's make the required ratio and their equations. So here in triangle A, B, P, tan 30. It has an angle tan 30. So tan 30 will be equal to X upon D. That is height upon base. So here base will also D. This PB distance is also D. So value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So you can say X in terms of D as D upon root 3. Let's make another. In triangle A, C, Q, here tan 45 degree angle is being used. So that will be height upon base. Here height is 8 plus X upon the base is distance D. The value of tan 45 is 1. So let's put this 1 and we get D is equal to 8 plus X. So let's put this value of D in that place, value of X in the place, and we'll get D is equal to 8 plus D upon root 3. So if we take this to other side, it will be D minus D by root 3, and then the distance in terms of 8 will be D is equal to 8 into root 3 upon root 3 minus 1. If you put value of root 3 as 1.732 and solve this, you will get D is equal to 18.92 meters. So friends, here this distance D is also equal to 8 plus X according to this equation above here. So that is a height of the bigger building, that is 8 plus X. So height of the bigger building also will be 18.92 meters. The answer for both the questions here is 18.92 meters. So I hope you understand. Please keep watching our videos and liking them. We'll see the next video in our next upcoming. Till then, if you have any doubt, please put into comment box. Thank you.